Namaste. You may be wondering why your right and left brain hemispheres hear different frequencies during meditation. This talk may help you understand why. All right. So, the right side of the brain is associated with the left nostril, the Ida, and they govern the functions of the parasympathetic nervous system, and they're quite active during night when we sleep. So it's relaxing, calming, soothing, restoring, rejuvenating, and recuperating. Therefore, sleep is really very important because when we sleep, that's where the functions of the parasympathetic nervous system heals us. Right. Not only that we hear low vibration, you may also experience musical sounds, uh, singing, like choir singing. You may also hear the sound of the flute or wind or string instruments. I've heard, the sound of the bell, the chime, this one. Yeah. And appearing in rhythmic intervals. Also, the sound of the bowl. Right. And commonly, we hear this type of sounds around the backside of the right hemisphere of the brain. All right. So the right side of the brain is responsible for the functions of the left side of the body. So they crisscross actually. All right. Now, the left hemisphere of the brain is associated with the Pingala Nadi, the right nostril, and they govern the sympathetic nervous system, our active side, and it governs the right side of the body. Therefore, it's associated with the solar energy, and it emits a higher frequency, like the sound of the crickets. Yeah, higher in frequency, but not annoyingly loud. So it's like close but afar, like you're in the forest alone, the sound of the forest. Yeah, you might also hear gushing water or wind sound, high in frequency. And this is quite more obvious, that left side of the brain. Here, that sound higher. All right, and being the sympathetic nervous system is active during daytime, and it peaks, at noon. Yeah, all right. Now, but in the final stages of your meditation, the culmination, there's two frequencies, they become one singular sound. And the sound is the never ending Om. Om. And it happens once the middle channel opens up, the Sushumna Nadi. Yeah, when the Sushumna Nadi opens up, the energy pierces through the chakras of our energetic anatomy, exits the Sahasrara chakra, and for a moment, it will spin around, levitate, and connect with other energetic forces, and it goes back inside the heart. Well, we can only experience one unified sound, and that's the sound of the never-ending Om. It's the sound of the Sushumna Nadi. Yes, it's a sound we hear during deep absorption, and the brain is filled with that low vibrational sound of the Om. There's only one sound there, and there's only one image, pitch black, but it's so clear and then vivid inside. And then the sound fills your cranial cavity, the never ending Om. It's a sound, where all that is created come from. I'll see you in the next one.